Hemingway Gravel. If you want a folding bike that combines power and speed, yet down to earth, perfect for weaving through city streets and park trails, this is your ideal choice. The F-frame design stands out with its streamlined and robust structure. Every detail reflects a strong sense of motion. The aerospace aluminum frame is lightweight yet sturdy. The main tube features a uniquely shaped design, offering excellent rigidity and stability, while showcasing a bold and uplifting spirit. The frame and fork are equipped with Dahon Newton double brakes, and the fork's dropout angle has been carefully designed for better alignment with the front hub, ensuring stable performance and enhanced safety. The frame and fork include bottle mounting bolts, offering more versatility for carrying toolkits, water, food, or other small items, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Dahon's Dahon V technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. DELTECH. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the DELTECH system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. BA hinge. The four-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Safety disc brakes. The disc rotors are moved 15 millimeters closer to the wheel, effectively protecting the rotors from impact during falls and reducing the risk of scratches or damage. This resolves common safety issues found in standard disc brakes. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. 9-speed Dahon system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. The 52-tooth chainring paired with an 1132-tooth cassette provides smooth, powerful pedaling, ensuring a comfortable and efficient ride. Designed by Dahon, the wheels are smooth, durable, and capable of withstanding high tire pressure, providing stability and comfort even during sudden braking. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahon has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahon folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahon means choosing trust and quality. With Dahon's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.